two reasons why people do not invest in the stock market. One is fear, and two is simply just knowledge. What we do in the freedom community is help you combat those two things. We work you through the fear process by supplying you knowledge and tools to be successful. There are a lot of horror stories out there. People always, the market's crashing, and you hear this and it puts fear into you. If you look back into the past, you would realize every time the market crashes, it goes back up. So I would like you to substitute the word crash for sale. Everybody knows what happens when there's a sale. You buy, and that's as simply as it is. Anytime the market crash, whether it's when COVID was happening, 20, whatever year that was, housing market crash. World War II, World War I, market crash. But the thing is, you don't lose your money, it just goes down. So if you add more at those times, you can look back, the chart's always there. You would made a tremendous amount of money. So be prepared, join the community, and get ready for the next sale.